Iseti Latonedo, Iseti Latonedo. Mami, me, okay, kakamoda, me. We, Iyamagu werie, me. Because Uruswama no motivate very yaso awi binana. Igbina rugbina le memoka.
Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. My country people, a lot done they happen for inside Ogbonge, Europe, for France. Our dear sister, where they call the founder of Salt and Water Ministry, Prophetess Ikeshinyere Agonwanyi Iyore Nubia Mose, one of Paris. Don't cry, come outside. My people, a lot they happen, no. Everybody know this prophetess will be the owner of a Salt and Water Ministry France, where they Paris for France. She don't come cry, come outside, say she no go fit enter Benin Edo State again. Many years ago, my people, now hear wetin happen for social media. I heard they talk and say this social media of it now for the good, the bad, and the ugly. Many things happened that year when Iyore, one of Paris, come outside. He and the social media president, where they call Eddie Murphy Idahosa, where he did Germany, they can't get misunderstanding because say Iyore no attend Eddie Murphy baby dedication or baby 1 year birthday that year. So the matter takes up. Now Eddie Murphy, the former pastor of Back to Sender Ministry, the two of them are pastor. Okay, my people, so as I talk to una, so this video it will reach part 3 because it's too long. I need to cut down small my country people. As Iyore, one of Paris, the founder and the president of Salt and Water Ministry, no go. The owner of Idiani Yesige Ministry and aka a new how they call Enikao ministry as well, because she then combine everything combinable na mixture, so that me for quick work. If you want me you quick work, you will drink niate egberame where the my mama grandmama they call on that time. All the gbogbo medicine, iodine, chloroquine, paracetamol, gbogbo nishe, aboliki, what again, orioyo, what again. Make una not make me forget my people. All of them they combine together. So she they serve God, she they serve Enikao, and she still they serve Idiani Yesige together. So never be missed, never be gbirame. Okay, because you get medicine with my grandma they talk. Why you go me tie gbirame re ogbera hian ofika kehian no na call me give una. Just tell her say I need that okun where they call gbirame be missed you. So now this our sister missing together. As you know, attend that party, the next thing, the former pastor of the church where they not see money to parents, the church come fold up, where they call Back to Sender Ministry, owned by Prince Edwin Idahosa. So the next thing, as you know, attend the naming ceremony of your Peking, now begin start for social media. So as I tell you, so this matter don't reach like 4 to 3 years now. When Iyore and social media president not take the play. So from then now, Iyore, one of Paris, and this same other pastor, the former pastor, no longer a pastor now, have gone back to his former way. Like everybody know his former way, so he have gone back to his former way. So what can happen? the of the come dey quarrel because say Iyore promise this man say if I come your party I go spray money like 2K. As the former pastor to the back to sender ministry, Prince Edwin Idahosa hear that way, come say, they say this kind of money for offering. And the man say, come they wait for this woman, this other pastor will be prophetess Ikeshingiri Agomwani. So as he wait for her, the woman not come, and the pastor provoke, say, how dare you keep a man of God waiting? Now so fight they starts. So he get wetin Iyore talk 30 time ago. Now so this pastor, constant talk, and this ex-pastor, this back to sender ministry pastor, he constant talk. So as a Benin person, I know what people must for that kind of matter, but I go just so less with there like a solo. You understand? Because na taboo for our place. When we they grow, they come, we know they talk, go that side. You understand? So they come, the two of them, you get video where they fair do the control map to the palace of our great Oba. So they come, if you don't get go, you understand? Nobody know the time where they take do this thing. Maybe they are fans. No, nobody know me. I not even watch that very period. But because of say, ex-pastor Edwin Idahosa do birthday for a pikin, prophetess Ikeshingiri Agomwani Iyore Omoze no attend. The 2,000 euro where he promised he will spray as her own tithe to support the ministry. The woman not come, the prophetess not come. Prophetess come, be like say prophetess dream. So the dream now she come the fear, and me she not go. So now so the fight take come outside at the end of the story, my people. This story, obia ona bioko me azo hele do. As I dey tell you now so fight take burst. This man do birthday on Saturday. On Sunday, when this pastor, this ex-pastor, supposed to say thank you to everybody, church member, choir mistress, everybody will come in party and well wishers from different countries where he go. For him to say thank you, he come face a co-pastor, prophetess Ikeshingiri Agomwani, aka Iyore Mose, one of Paris. Come say, now me be the general overseer for all churches. You say you will pay your tithe, you not come pay. So why you not come as a godfather? You know, say pastor see they get godfathers. So we still they help them for prayer. Now so fight take boss too. As I they talk to now so, not be small thing no. Waiting they don't do hide. They can't go the Zolo and come outside. Imo no roni so hokoyene ya si le ladia. Former pastor. Because this woman still be pastor. The former pastor now, Prince Edwin Idahosa, can't go Zolo Imo come for Iyore one of Paris. Mommy no verse say I make sure your name. I put match for your name with him because the name too long. Prophetess Ikeshingiri Agomwani. He can't go Zolo the Imo come outside. As he Zolo and come outside. Now no say the great fans now then get commenters now they get social media. Now those ones say, remember the day where this man still do the same thing where you do, mommy. This one church member still go Zolo, ex-pastor Edwin Idahosa, Imo common style for Bombo. Everywhere busts. Like that man where they did for Lagos say, everywhere don't bust. Now so it take bust to my people. And so while I take enter. No do. Hey. They come begin to talk. Now, ex-pastor come talk say, in they go Nigeria. He come they shout. And they go Nigeria, what you want happen now? Nothing go happen to her. This and this, that and that. May they call, now the pastor be this one, can you see him? Now the original owner of Back to Sender Ministry, maybe this one. So, but the church not the fortune, they don't see money to pay for church, like the church fold up. So, as we dey talk, my dear people, what can happen as the fight come strong for social media? and they come guy. As the guy, and so this one go the other way, this one go the other way. Palace come call these two people, say make una come o, say see wetin happen, see wetin we hear. Prophetess Ikeshinyere Agomwan, aka Iyore Novia Mose one of Paris, say they go. Ex-pastor Prince Idahosa, he can't say he will go. As in they prepare say he will go, a lot of people come tell and say no go, he can't say no he will go. So as he come they go prepare for Nigeria now, he don't feel they prepare say he want go Nigeria. Come they say Azen also Omobabe, in they come make una wait for them. Say no, nobody go fit do one. He want go repair people in the fight for human trafficking. So he want come go do make they gather the people even gather money for them that year. Make they take go swear for anybody wey come dey kpokpo pikin wey dem bring come Ogboloyibo make come pay ego. So anybody wey dey kpokpo those pikin make dem no better, they want come go use that money to go carry strong native doctor take swear put, and so matter take sup that year. At the end of the story, it's our former pastor come dey say Olokun Azen also una fit wait for road, and no fit do anything. As brother reach pastor reach Nigeria, and so he take land for Palace. From there we hear say he say wetin he talk, he no talk am again. Okay, not be there they go. I just want to refresh on a memory, and that make me want to say this video will reach part 3. Now, Ijore one of Paris, Mommy Ijore one of Paris, prophetess Ikeshinyere Agomwan, say he no go until the great king of Benin Kingdom call am for a GSM number. Now they can say na taboo. Our great king no fit call you. He can say na Oyibo he married that year. So he no do. The Oyibo man come dey see, he come turn arrowhead pig. May he so rest in perfect peace. Amen. Why they make this video? Now Ijore don't cry come outside say he no go fit enter Benin Kingdom again. Why? Because of say they swear for am. Say he na enemy of the palace. Ogiyomba na do they call enemy of the palace. So he no go fit enter Benin because he throw mass to palace. And so we Benin they talk am because ekena when owo kan you or ajo, just like if pikin you see pikin one shook am put for lamp, you remove am, he shook am again, you want see shook am, remove, you put your hand for that lamp. Oga gion, you go next time if you see lamp, you go they run, they go. Since when they say when chicken take chook man put for fire, anything where you see say na red, all of them are fire, they run, they go. You don't touch again because he dey fear for his life. Okay, my country people, wetin make we come dey talk this matter for here now? Na it be say prophetess Ikeshinyere Agomwan come cry come outside say now he no go fit go Benin again because this same ex-pastor Idahosa call her yesterday for live video say he and he godson and he goddaughter don quarrel. Na dem push am make he go talk to he former pastor colleague. So as they quarrel now, wetin come happen now? He wan go back to a former pastor colleague, which they call prophetess Ikeshinyere Agomwan. Say make he call am make dem come back as before, as prayer warrior. Wetin come happen now? The woman come cry come out today say he no dey make friend with am again, but he forgive am. But the only thing wey he pain am be say he no go fit enter Benin Kingdom again. Why? Because he say, I no go talk that many things for here. I go talk am for part 2 of this video. He say because the kind big, if you see now, see the way I take hold my hand then, say big swear wey dem give do to ram. They say too big. Edo way amawe no wo kan wa konzai. So far no me akwaro no ya go. When these people were jumping up and down in social media, they no know say tomorrow go day. Now they don't realize now say Benin dey vex with her. When they say make he apologize, go Benin as ex-pastor Idahosa go Benin go apologize. She say she no go go because nobody go see her breast, nobody go see her bum bum. Na my breast una want to do shupa many things wey she talk, my people, all of them dey YouTube. Una no go see my bum bum, una no go see my orange. Take do una cassava. This woman talk wetin she not supposed to talk. My people, now the prophetess wey dey tell the followers say make dem no fear, say no juju dey Benin, say dem no be anything, dem no fit do anything. Today she don realize say juju dey Benin. She come cry come outside say if you see the kind swear wey dey give am, wey dey swear for am for Benin, he say na one native doctor na he tell am say make he no enter Benin Edo State again, say if he enter he go talk to were. So our sister come dey cry now say so till that kingdom come, you know, go enter a papa land again. Not be say now play oh, now true my people. So I go come back for another video, make I come see alatuna about wetin still dey go on. Edo way omone hu de eho afian hu ba. If you know the hear word, they go kpalo your head, join your ear. Una understand? So my people, make I leave una for this video. I go see una for another video of the part 2 of this video. We no go too take. I remember una humble sister, AB Word Entertainment. I beg, omo no ma osa we na ero yesu because esungaro salobo agbangbe according to Akobe, one of Benin Kingdom. So my people, see you now for another video. Bye everyone. Choose.
God bless you. Happy New Month. Emoti na toka fwe mayagbere o. Eni Jesu. Ogogo mayaga miere emoti na. Alagoja o. Afiagbe. Maga mie. Maga wame mami okwezo. Maga wame mami okwaside emoti na. Maga wame mami okwologoma. Maga wame mami okwe no kwi makia ga wame toka degwogwa. No gwali magu ga wame toka wuguni. No gwali maizo ga wame toka dekwezo. Etio salopa ya niruna. Vetie ni kao ya fefe ni unyagba. Kevi ni mariri sobo muwe moti na toka sima yabo. Maga neru oga se. Agi undanko wagi mawegbe mani mori manoma. Maya fefe ni rewe bona. Nime be waga miebe ukbona. No we submit be ene no ke reply. Haga gmebe gwe ukina. Ukina ga favor we. Oko no gwalo mo ukina ga favor we. Oma no gwali wina ukina ga favor we. Waya fefe ni appointment ukina ugogo waya ya diowa. Ugagari ekmo mere. Waga jame ume kwe. Wodi yaga manuwa. Wa we gbegi mini mina dan. Koma ne ko e ma wada we. O salo pa be ni ka o toka kwenye we gbere be ni Jesu. He said, God bless you, my good people. God bless you. God bless you. This live video is a message to EPA. Message to EPA Dimorphy, social media president. Why we me do another? EPA damo ma do line. Me unu gegume osama bobo wiena. Obie me ba me batie Mr. Joy from Jamie. What's a you van the live video in my erunse you send the video gume. Megete we video be na. Wa dam yo.
Forget Mayagui. I tell you now, Denena. Forget Mayagui. Mayagui, you na me we ege. Na ya mu mi dan ba yin gbere. ge imano gale le mehia ge iya mawe me mete awo ge iya wawe omoni mi ave ya tengbe bedena kwe me ma ge iya ri to see ezo ni mawe we my sweetheart, my darling, my love. Ya onu chile program Mary. Ya ra wa hwe. Mo invite we. Mo yin chai. A hwe. Ya onu chile program Mary. Elele ne. Ni maro pata mo tai. If no say na the wa hwe. Be a drop phone na wana ya call wano. Ya call wa. Imi ya we you mo tai. Why kore yemni atama ono atame dio what I want peace to reign all over. Peace. A peace na e mandan kini ari aje ti he to bia ya he ga guo we a bini pa social media president yare na dan doge wara iwe mi dan adon gbe na ti ona ti we owo ki ya ge ahin ari oja ya said for me o ko na ti wa wi ya ge ma ze yo but we no pe ni ge pasa wa oni mi pari maji lao my brother lao they not really were forgiven you don't mo lao ya came up mama wa gbe do yore forget mayagui I tell you now denena forget mayagui ye na mewe ege na ya mu mi dan bayin gbere mai ge imano gale le mehia ge iya mawe me mete awo ge iya wawe omoni mi ave ya tengbe bedena kwe me mai ge iya ri to see ezo ni mawe we my sweetheart, my darling, my love. Ya onu chile program Mary. Ya ra wa hwe. Mo invite we. Mo yin chai. A hwe. Ya onu chile program Mary. Elele ne. Ni maro pata mo tai. If no say na the wa hwe. Be a drop phone na wana ya call wano. Ya call wa. Imi ya we you mo tai. Why kore yemni atama ono atame dio what I want peace to reign all over. Peace. A peace na e mandan kini ari aje ti he to bia ya he ga guo we a
3
with me down. But hey, with me down. I don't be not where or walking. I came up, Mama. Why we do? Yuri, forget Mayagui. I tell you now, Denena. Forget Mayagui. Mayagui, you know me where. Era me we ege na ya mu mi dan bayin gbere mai ge imano gale le mehia ge iya ma we me mete awo ge iya wawe omoni mi ave ya tengbe bedena kwe me mai ge iya ri to see ezo ni mawe we my sweetheart, my darling, my love. Ya onu chile program Mary. Ya ra wa hwe. Mo invite we. Mo yin chai. A hwe.
Waya koyo. Epa, ime message no pegume. Emi no see na me fe na rokwa ba ume. Ewe. Vi ewe. Ima ewe yo deda. Ọmọ nugwa we mo wa. Uwe bo ya ni we live video. Ni ko boy ro gbera wo pa. Udori. Maybe no ya eze. Emi ya ni ma we mama. Ya la pa. Mi no see any na vie we. Igi setting ilato. Oni mi no see any na vie. Igi setting ilato. Emi na ja we ya wu oluga no go ve. Ebo ni vie bola di ani bugu lo nebo. Eji o ma pa we ni ke ilato we ni lisi pa. O si no na to se ni na vie yo. Igi setting ilato oni yo phone. Eji agi no. Igi setting ilato o yari ame. Oni mi no ta me mo. Many te we me we se me na yari e robert yari e we. Iya ke do ala ke nuje uri e me no go uvi we ugu me gwa. Mene mo yaro vie me se uti e me vie ke ma we gwa me la. Ya neru ina neru nu e oba ni ma we gbaro. Owa ma nu ma e je uwa neru na. Iwi na mi no si e spirit me mu e. Spirit me amu ma imudiane. Maybe no kia eze una do kio kia me. Ya ge we bu gbese ko ya ba lo me. E we gbe lórí e me me bikini mi e we ofo me ko. Ana imi e we me ni jore ke ti lato ne do ise ti ki lato ne do. Ama mi.